Hi everybody, my name is Sanjana KS, studying in Arvind International Residential School in class HS3F. Now our school has organized online classes for all. It is going successfully. I thank all the teachers who are the part of Arvind International Residential School and online classes. Especially I thank my science teacher who has given me opportunity to do this. Today I am going to teach about light lesson, physics, light reflection and refraction. What do we mean by light? Light is a form of energy which causes sensation of vision in our eyes. Light it enables us to see objects, the sun, a lighted candle and electric bulbs gives us the light. These are called the luminous bodies. We can't see the light but we can sense the light. Luminous object. The object which produces their own light is known as luminous object. Non-luminous object. The object which does not produce their own light is known as non-luminous object. Properties of light. It travels in a straight line. Light travels much faster than the sound. Light travels as a wave. Some terms related to light. Reflection of light. Bouncing back of light rays into the same medium of light is known as reflection of light. Incident ray. Ray of light which strikes the mirror is known as incident ray. Normal. An imaginary line drawn at 90 degrees is known as normal. Reflected ray. Bouncing back of light is known as reflected ray. Angle of incidence. Angle between the normal and the incident ray is known as angle of incidence. Angle of reflection. Angle between the normal and the reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. Point of incidence. The point of reflected ray, incident ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection all lies in a same path known as point of incidence. Some properties of light. Spherical mirror. There are two types of mirror, concave and convex. Concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards is known as concave mirror. Convex mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outside is known as convex mirror. Important terms related to spherical mirror. Pole of the mirror. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called the pole of the mirror. Center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. Center of the sphere in which the mirror is a part. It is denoted by C. Radius of curvature. The distance between the center and the radius of the spherical is known as a part. Radius of curvature. Principal axis. A straight line passing through the center of curvature and the pole is known as principal axis. Focus of concave mirror. Focus. The point of principal axis where all the parallel light rays after reflection actually meet at a point called the focus. What do we mean by focal length? The distance between the pole and the mirror of a principal axis is known as focal length. What are the rules to draw the ray diagram? There are three rules to draw the ray diagrams. The object should be in front of the reflecting surface. There should be two incident to draw the ray. Foot should touch the principal axis. Convenient rays. A ray passing through the center of curvature is reflected along its own path. Second one. A ray parallel to the principal axis. A ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus. Third one. A ray passing through the focus. Reflected ray goes parallel to the principal axis. What are the images formed by a concave mirror? When an object is at infinity, the image is formed at focus. It is real, inverted and highly diminished image formed between P and C. Second one. When an object is beyond the center of curvature, a real, inverted and smaller image is formed between the center of curvature and focus. When an object is at center of curvature, a real, inverted image of the same size is formed at the center of curvature. Next, between C and F, real, inverted image is beyond the C. At F, real, inverted, highly enlarged image is at infinity. between F and P. It is virtual, erect, enlarged image formed beyond the mirror. What are the uses of concave mirror? Concave mirror is used in torches, sea light, searchlight, makeup mirror, vehicle headlights to get the powerful parallel beam of light, also street lights. The dentist used the concave mirror to see large images of the teeth. What are the uses of convex mirror? Uses of it is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicles, shopping mall, parking as the theft control. It is used because the given erect virtual full size diminished image of distant object with a wider field of view, convex mirror enables driver to view much larger area than would be possible with a plane mirror. Convex mirror at infinity. Virtual, erect, highly diminished points, same size image is formed at focus behind the mirror, between infinity and the pole of the mirror. Virtual, erect, diminished between F and P behind the mirror. Sign conventions of reflection by spherical mirror. The object is placed at the F left of the mirror. All distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. All distance measured in the direction of the incident ray along x-axis are taken as positive, and those measured at the direction of incident ray along y-axis are taken as negative. Distance measures perpendicular to and above the principal axis are taken as positive. Distance measured perpendicular to the below the principal axis are taken as negative. Object distance. The distance of the object from its pole is called as object distance. It is denoted by U. Image distance. The distance of the image from its pole is called the image distance. It is denoted by V. Then what is the formula of mirror? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. V is equals to image distance, U is equals to object distance, F is equals to focal length of the mirror, M is equals to magnification. Magnification. It is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. M is equals to height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image is denoted by h1 and height of the object is denoted by h, or image distance by object distance, V by U. M is equals to h1 by h or V by U. A negative sign is the value of the magnification, indicates that the image is real. A positive sign in the value of magnification indicates that the image is real. Reflection of light. It is the phenomenon of bending of light. When the light travels from one transparent medium to the another medium, it tends to bend its direction. Due to the reflection, when the light travels from one medium to the another, it bends either towards the away from the normal. This happens because different media has different densities and this speed of light is different in each one of them. This causes the light to slow down or speed up depending on the medium. Air is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second and water medium is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8. Light is reflected as it passes from water into air. Tumbler with the water acts as a convex lens which curves outwards in the needle and can focus light rays to magnetic object. The object reaching the eye from the portion of the pencil inside water seems to come from a different direction compared to the past water in this. The change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is known as reflection of light. Because of seeing the coin appear to be chosen, then its actual distance will be are likely to miss the coin reflected right coming. Loss of reflection of light. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to be interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence ray all lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of reflection is constant for the light. When a ray light travels from one rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. When a ray of light travels from a denser to a rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. When a ray of light falls normally on the surface separation, the two media passes without bending. Terms related to reflection of lights. Incident ray. The ray of light falling on the surface separating the two media is known as incident ray. Reflected ray. The ray of light traveling in the other medium in the changed direction is known as reflected ray. Normal. The perpendicular drawn on the surface separation the two media at the point where the incident ray strikes it. Angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. It is denoted by I. Angle of reflection. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection. It is denoted by R. What do you mean by reflective index? It is the ratio of the speed of light in the vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium. It is denoted by N. N is equals to V1 by V2. The ratio of the speed of light in air and speed of light in water is equal to 1.33. The medium with the larger reflective index is optically denser medium. The medium in the lower reflective index is optically rarer medium. Lateral shift. The perpendicular distance between the direction of the incident ray and the emergent ray is called the lateral shift. Next, lens. A lens is a transparent material bound by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. Convex lens and concave lens. These are the two types of lenses. Convex lens. A lens having two spherical surfaces bulging outwards called a double concave lens or convex lenses. It is either at the middle or thin at the edges. It is also called as converging lenses. Concave lens. A lens which is bounded by two spherical surfaces with curved inwards is called concave lens. It is thicker in the edges and thinner in the middle. It is also known as diverging lens. Optic center of the lens. The center point of the lens is known as the optic center. Center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which the lens forms a part is known as center of curvature. Radius of curvature. The radius of the sphere of which the lens forms a part is called the radius of curvature of the lens. Principal axis. The imaginary straight line passing through the centers of the curvature is called as principal axis. Principal focus of convex lens. The point of principal axis where all the parallel light rays after reflection actually meet at a point called the focus. It is denoted by F. Principal focus of a concave lens. The point on principal axis where all the parallel light rays after reflection appear to meet at a point called the focus. Focal length. The distance of the principal focus from the optic center of the lens is called the focal length. It is denoted by F. Aperture. The diameter of the circular outline of a lens is called the aperture. What do you mean by magnifying? The enlarging of the image is known as magnifying. Image formation in a convex lens and the nature of images when the object is placed at infinity. It is real, inverted, highly diminished image is formed. Beyond 2f1, real, inverted, diminished image is formed between the f2 and 2f2. At 2f1, real, inverted, same size image is formed at 2f2. Between 2f1 and f1, real, inverted, enlarged image is formed beyond the 2f2 at f1. Real inverted enlarged image is formed at infinity between f1 and O. Virtual erect enlarged image is formed beyond the lens. Concave lens at infinity. Virtual erect diminished image is formed at f1 beyond f and O. Virtual erect diminished image is formed at f1 and O. What are the properties of convex lens? It is thicker in the center than at the edges. It converges parallel beam of lighter reflection through if it is thick. It has a real focus. What are the properties of concave lens? It is thinner at the center than at the edges. It diverges a parallel beam of light on reflection through it. It has virtual focus. Sign conventions for spherical lenses. The focal length of a convex lens is positive, concave is negative. Formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. What do you mean by magnification of lens? It is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. M is equals to height of the image by height of the object. H1 by H or V by U. Power of lens. Power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. P is equals to 1 by F. The SI unit of power of lens is dioptre. 1 dioptre is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. 1 D is equals to 1 m to the power of minus 1. Why do we use lenses combination in various optical instruments? To increase the magnification of the image, to increase the sharpness of the image, to erect the final image, to minimize the certain effects on or observations in the image formed by a single lens. The combinations are used in microscope and telescope. Thank you.